This is a quick video to show you how to splice a VHS tape that broke. I got a big archiving job for a client, close to 100 tapes, and the quality of the tapes that they put their family movies on was varying quality, including crap brands like this. But what can you do? This is what it's recorded on. And when I loaded this tape into my machine, it did nothing. And then I noticed that the tape actually had separated, and sticky adhesive got into my machine and gummed up my machine. But we got to repair this tape so that I can transfer what's on it. Splicing a VHS videotape is not that difficult. All you need to do is open the cassette up. Most of them are held together with 5 screws. And to open them up, simply depress the button to open up the head shell, or open up the cover, and just open the cassette up like that. Now you have to be careful that you don't lose the little reel locking mechanism here and its associated components, and there are a couple springs in here, so be careful. Just release the mechanism so you can lift the reel out, and then I can get this leader that's got the tape, that the splicing tape, that looks like it was done with. This looks almost like Scotch tape that was done probably at the factory like that. We're going to replace it. I'm not going to use anything fancy for this because this is a one-time thing. I need to get this tape to play just once, and once it's played, it's going to be transferred over to DVD, and then this tape will never be played again. So I'm just going to use just some regular, ordinary Scotch type tape to splice it. So I got a piece of tape. We're going to stick it on the back side of the leader here, and on the back side of the tape, just to stick it back together. Doesn't have to be precise. We're going to trim off any excess that could make contact with the head and clog it up. Make sure that there's no sticky portion of the tape exposed, and then we'll wind tape back into the spool and close it up. Generally, you got to pull these labels off as well because they'll prevent the cassette from dropping back together properly. Open up the lid, align the pins, drop the cassette back together, close it, and replace the screws. If the tape breaks in the middle, you have to be a little more careful just to make sure that there's no exposed adhesive that would stick to the head drum. Good as new. As I say, I got to get one playback out of this thing, but that's how you fix a VHS tape that comes detached from the leader. It generally happens more with these cheap no-name brand cassettes than brand name ones, just because the quality of the adhesive they used over all the years just deteriorated and came apart when I tried to play the tape. Thanks for watching.